Mastering English Prefixes. The Power of Giga. Hello learners, welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of prefixes, specifically prefixes for large numbers. Our spotlight will be on giga, which signifies a billion. Understanding and using this prefix correctly can immensely help you boost your English vocabulary. Giga is a unit prefix in the metric system that denotes a factor of a billion, 1 billion or 10 to the power of 9. It's a Greek-derived prefix, and its literal meaning is giant. For example, in terms of data storage, we often hear the term gigabyte. A gigabyte is a measure of computer storage capacity and is roughly a billion bytes. Another common use of giga is in the term gigahertz, GHz, a unit of frequency equal to 1 billion hertz or cycles per second. It's commonly used to measure processor clock speed in computers and smartphones. Once you've grasped the magnitude of giga, you can start to incorporate it into your vocabulary. Let's see a few example sentences. 1. Gigabyte. My new smartphone has 128 gigabytes of storage. 2. Gigahertz. The processor of this computer operates at 3.5 gigahertz. Remember, giga always indicates something in the range of a billion, and it's mostly used in scientific, technological, and mathematical contexts. To effectively remember and use the giga prefix, associate it with something familiar. For example, a gigabyte is a common term used in digital storage. So, each time you save a file or install an app on your computer, remember that giga means billion in that context. Another tip is to visualize it. For example, think about the difference in size between a local library and all the digital content available on the internet, counted in gigabytes or even terabytes, which is 1,000 times larger than gigabyte. This visualization can reinforce the vastness that giga represents. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on the prefix giga. This is just one of many fascinating prefixes in English that you can use to enrich your vocabulary. The more you understand these prefixes, the easier it becomes to deduce the meanings of new words you encounter. As always, remember that practice makes perfect. Try to use the new knowledge in your conversations or writings. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!